So I don't know about you, but I have struggled keeping my bedroom area organized over the years I've been doing van life. But I think I've got a pretty good handle on it now. I've been doing a little bit of buying from some different vendors here lately, from Amazon and Overland Gear Guy, places like that. And I think I've got my bedroom really dialed in now. Let me take you around and show you what all I've done to it. Also, this is going to be the first part of several different videos I'm doing. I'm going to do just the bedroom today, and then in the future I'll do the living room, and then again in the cab, and also a complete exterior and garage and so on and so forth. This is for the Winnebago Echo. I've got a 25 Spreco on a Sprinter chassis. But yeah, let's get into this. All right, so I have decided to pretty much leave my bed in a twin bed mode. I have done it both ways, and what I mean by that is this bolster will flip over to make it to where it ends right here. Makes it 80 inches by 80 inches. You can sleep this way, you can sleep this way, north and south. There is a little bit of a gap right here. You have to get on this step and then jump up in here. It's not too bad if you're tall. I'm 6 foot, but I don't know. This is just easier to make the bed up. A lot easier actually to make the bed up doing this way. So I did buy some new things in here this year for the summertime, specifically to kind of keep my van cool in the summertime, not get too hot in here. I'm gonna start up there and kind of work my way back this way. So I wanted to show you these awesome cabinets I got, or the bins in the cabinets. These are on Amazon. I will include the link in the description here. But you can see they fit perfectly in here. You can get a set of 4 for not much money at all. They come flat packed, so you take the bottom part out and you can fold this up to be flat. So if you don't need this one in here, you can just store it. So what I've got in these bins is basically, I've got long johns, I've got an extra towel right there, just miscellaneous stuff. In here I've got some extra camera equipment there. These are just things that I don't want to get rid of, but I just don't need to get access to, every single day. And then in here, I've got some washcloths, extra towels right there. And then here, just a GoPro and some other hiking stuff and whatever. So that's extra room in there if I need it for anything else. Picked up these pillows. I think I got them from the house actually. They were left over from I had an interior decorator come in and do some work, and they didn't work for my house on a couch I had. So I think I'm gonna use these this year. Good thing about this, in this winter, if you want to change out the colors, you get tired of looking at blue all the time, you can just switch them out, and it adds a little bit different color to the van. I do have the Canyon Adventure Vans Ultralux mattress on both of my beds here. I really do like these. I've had these for a year and 3 months now. I will say the stock mattress on the Echo is not terrible. They have improved the quality, I think, on those, but the Ultralux is definitely better than the stock mattress. It depends on how you sleep. If you like a, more firm, more soft, whatever. This is kind of in between, I would say. But it is a nice upgrade for your bed if you like to sleep soundly through the night like I do. They have a complete dream collection. They have pillowcases. They even have new pillows, sheets, fitted sheets, and a bed protector you can buy from them at canyonadventurevans.com. I've got all that right there. Really like that, really good. I did went on Amazon and found I think these cost 25 bucks. These this summer comforter, I'm calling it. I will try to include the link on that as well. I just bought them last month, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. But I think 25 bucks is what I paid for each one of these. They come in about 12 different colors. You can tell it's really kind of a thinnish summer quilt, I'm gonna call it. It's perfect for doing van life, you know, from March through November, I think. So there's that. Of course, Van Made Gear makes the best window blinds that are available to the van community. These basically go on, you take off the stock frames, which is very easy to do, and put this heavy duty plastic on one side and Velcro on this side, and put that up, and then this basically just attaches to it like that, which I love that aspect of it. They just come out with a new series from Eco Nesters. They help promote it, they help design it. You can leave your blinds, your stock blinds in place, and these new blinds that you buy from that are much more insulated and much more window blackout, they just basically stick on to the existing blinds. So you kind of get the best of both worlds in that regard. It's a great idea, I thought. But yeah, these just kind of do that. And then you can see outside, I'm at the Cracker Barrel here in Phoenix, Arizona right now. And I also got this several months ago from Canyon Adventure Vans. It's a little, I don't know, it could be used for a lot of things. You can put jackets, coats, clothes in there. I'm using it to store card games, Rummy Cube, Uno, just miscellaneous stuff in there. It keeps it out of the way. This is totally unused space anyway, so that was a good use of space. You could put some little bags right here for the molly panel if you wanted to. It doesn't interfere with your heat vent there at all. It works great. But of course, I put a TV right there, and I put it at a solid mount. It does not move at all. I think if you're leaned back here in the passenger side, you can still see TV really well. So, not in my case, not really a need to have it, you know, articulated or anything. Oh, I've got these new fancy lights. Let me show you this. So I've got these from Charlie Grace. She's got a link for these, but they dim down like that, and then you can also do that. At nighttime, that's really a cool light to have because you just kind of wind down. You're not having that bright light, and that's pretty sweet, I thought. Let's see, what else was there? So this is what I'm most excited about, though, for the bedroom area, is my storage of my clothes. So the Winnebago Echo comes with 2 drawers. Before, I never really used these drawers, honestly, at all. I had enough storage in here, that I'll show you in a second, for my clothes. But here's the deal. Last year, let me just show you this. I had everything. I had underwear and socks in here, shirts in here, and shorts and pants in there. Everything was just thrown in there. I just got tired. I'm getting tired of the wrinkly part of things. So in here, I've got just extra shirt or two, extra socks in there a little bit. But here's where I keep all my, I don't know, more dressier shirts, I guess you call. And then here is jeans and shorts and stuff like that. But here's what I want to show you. This is, to me, is game changer. So contacted Overland Gear guy, and they had just come out with a whole line of Echo related products, and I love this setup right here. So these little bins right here fit perfectly in this drawer. You can get whatever color you want. Not that you see the color that much, but you can still get whatever color you want. But the idea is you can see what you have in the bin. So I've got 5 t-shirts that are rolled up right there, for that way they won't wrinkle as bad, and at least I can see exactly what I have in there. Same thing over here, and then right here I've got all my underwear and socks for the most part. I've got some other stuff stashed over here, but this is kind of where I go when I get up in the morning. I make coffee, open this up, get my t-shirt out, get my shorts out, underwear, socks, and close it up, and it's just so much more convenient for me to do this way. And then in here I've got just another bag. It's got leftover socks. I don't have enough room in there for everything, so I stuck one over here. But you can see how much more room, how much extra room I have for other things. I'm just trying to not bring too much stuff in the van, trying to keep it minimal as possible. So there's that. And also I found this idea out. I did this all last year. It worked really good. I've got a laundry bag here. It's a humongous laundry bag. You can see how tall it is right there. It goes about it's about the same height as the floor to the bed here. It's got a drawstring in it. So what you do before you get in the shower, you get all your clothes off, stick it right in there, so it's not laying in the floor or anything. It's got a little bag here for any laundry soap you might have, but it's got a backpack strap here. It's got a strap on the back. You can't see it, but there is a hook right there, and I hook it on there. It keeps it kind of upright. It's not just laying on the floor, so it keeps it easy to put stuff in there. So, when I get ready to do laundry, all I have to do is just take it off that hook and put it on my back and go to the laundry mat and do laundry. So in here, this is just miscellaneous stuff. Again, just extra space. I didn't want to leave these at home because this would be a good use of space to just put doodads and stuff I pick up along the way at expos and whatnot. In here, not a lot to talk about. I put extra shoes in there, running shoes, hiking shoes, stuff like that. My manual's back there, and then there's a top view of that drawer that we just talked about. But one last thing I can think about is this. This is the Van Made Gear bedroom curtain, and this thing has been really good to have. So it's held by this little drawstring here. Uses the same track bar through here, but check this out. It's magnetic, so it just goes on there like that. Here's a little better view of it, and it's form-fitting to go right through there all the way down to the floor. Let me show you the other side of it. I think that looks pretty sweet. So the idea was, so if you have a partner that wants to sleep in the morning, you could come out here, close this blind, and if the air's going especially, you could be on the, you could be watching a little bit of TV in here or whatever. They probably wouldn't even hear it in there because of the noise of the white noise of the air conditioner going, and that helps control the light pollution in there. But hope this helps. Just kind of wanted to give, all these Echoes are the same style, but we all have different taste in terms of interior design and all that. And I wanted to just show you mine. I will have links to most of all this on the bottom of the description. Plus, don't forget, I've got a discount code for these companies. So if you like what you see and want to save a few dollars, type in my last name as the discount code on there when you check out, and it'll save you probably 5%, sometimes up to 10 or 15%. So it depends on which vendor it is. But I know the Overland Gear guy is doing 15% off when you use my discount code. And he has a bunch of other stuff I'll show you in a later video, but this has been really good to have these little bins right here. You guys have a good day.